So this account was spending $1.3 million a month on Google Ads. CPA on target, business is good, all of this is looking amazing for this kind of business. But the issue here is that they were paying for ads in cities where they can't even send a technician. Okay, so let me show you this. Optizads, it's an AI marketing operator for Google Ads. It has 50 workflows running 24/7 on every account across all of these tabs that we have: cost optimization, performance monitoring, creative and copy reporting, competitive intelligence, etc. So Optizads audits every signal Google exposes. It catches things humans miss, especially when Google ships an algorithm overnight and an account just starts bleeding money, and then we're wondering like what's happening, and we can only notice this when we see a spike in the CPA in the weekly report. So like that, like we're talking really about six figures going wasted. Okay, let me show you how the app flagged this big cost for this client. This account is a multi-location service brand. It's anonymized here. It has 87 markets across the US, 164 active campaigns, 1.3 million a month in spend, 8,940 book jobs last month. Book job CPA is $146, which is good for this kind of service. So on paper, it's a healthy account. The team is happy, and honestly, why wouldn't they be happy? Now let's take a look at this wasted spend. $32.5K a month. Annualized, that's $390,000 a year. Just gone. This is where it gets interesting. The AI checked the geo-targeting settings on all 164 campaigns. 18 of them are running on Google's default setting. It's called presence or interest. Now, most of the PPC managers and most of the people who ever run ads on Google Ads, they know this. It serves ads to anyone who shows search intent for the targeted area, not just people physically there. PPC managers, agencies, or like people who run Google Ads, they know this. They know that there's the presence or interest settings, and like it's 2026, everyone knows this. But when you run hundreds of campaigns and you have a lot of clients, and like people make mistakes, so sometimes we have campaigns with their default settings, so and you can't know because you're running multiple campaigns, like hundreds. So someone in Beverly Hills searches AC repair Atlanta. Maybe they have family there, maybe they type it wrong, maybe they're planning a move. It doesn't matter. The Atlanta campaign serves them an ad. They click, they call the Atlanta dispatch number, phone rings, Smart Bidding sees the conversion, marks it as a win, but Atlanta dispatch can't service Beverly Hills. So that lead goes nowhere, the customer hangs up confused, the ad budget got spent, and Smart Bidding learned Beverly Hills is a good market and kept bidding higher there. The fix is one setting change in Google Ads. Switch from presence or interest to presence only. 1 click per campaign, 18 campaigns, 5 minutes of work, eliminates the bleed entirely. So again, this is Optizads, and we have the usual 50 workflows, but for this account, we have a custom workflow. So I built this for them. It's a custom workflow. So this workflow, it audits the geo-targeting setting on every campaign and cross-references the actual location of every clicker against the licensed service area. Then it surfaces every zip where users clicked from, but technicians can't dispatch to. For example, look at this here, Beverly Hills, California. We have $18.4K wasted. Dallas, Texas, 31.2K. Miami, Florida, 19.8. Each of these zips is in a state they don't even operate in. Months of spend going there. The phantom conversions column, those are phone calls that came through but never got dispatched. This is the kind of thing one human strategist would never catch across 164 campaigns. The AI catches it in like 1 hour. So 3 issues the AI ranked. Number 1, we have 32.5K a month on the presence or interest targeting default I just walked through. 390,000 a year, fix in 1 click per campaign. Number 2, 7,000 a month on capacity blind ad delivery. 14 markets where dispatch lead time is over 6 weeks, but the ads keep running. Customers click, can't book in time, they just go elsewhere. So fix here is integrating dispatch capacity into ad pausing. Number 3 is we have 4,000 a month from attribution being skewed by phantom conversions. Filter out of area codes from smart bidding signal. The model returns on these budget jobs only. Real return on ad spend shows up, but bidding gets sharper. So this is what happens. Modern Google Ads is too complex for one strategist to manually monitor 164 campaigns and every signal in real time. Staff sleeps, the AI catches what the team can't possibly see. So these are the main 3 issues that we have here, but if we also go dig deeper, we will find other issues like, for example, the top 0 conversion terms by spend. For example, these are the search terms that just spend a lot of money but with 0 conversions. So we're just bleeding a lot of money on these terms. And then you'll have also the negative keywords. It's a really complete audit or report. So if you're spending on Google Ads, I can run the same 50 workflows on your account. Let's see what my system catches. It's a free audit, so yeah, don't hesitate to send an email.